Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your Afterpay spending limit. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, so increasing your Afterpay spending limit involves a combination of responsible usage and understanding the factors that influence your limit. So I've wrote down a list of steps you can take to potentially increase your Afterpay spending limit. So the first one here is use Afterpay often. So regular users of Afterpay can demonstrate your need for a higher limit and consistency. So make purchases consistently, but avoid making too many small transactions in a short period. And the second thing I need to mention is pay on time. So timely payments. Always make your payments on or before the due date and avoid partial payments and ensure that you pay the full amount in due. And you need to link a debit or credit card. So linking a debit or credit card as your primary payment method can improve your reliability as a borrower. And ensure that the linked account has sufficient funds to cover your payments. And now from here, you want to build a positive payment history. So a history of timely and full payments can positively impact your spending limit. And missed or late payments can negatively affect your spending limit as well. And also another thing to note is keep your account information updated. So ensure your personal information such as your address and phone number is up to date, and keep your bank account details correct and accurate as well. And regularly check your Afterpay app for updates on your spending limit and enable notifications for reminders about payment dues, dates and special offers. And the last one here, contact Afterpay support. So if you believe you deserve a higher limit, contact Afterpay customer support and inquire about the possibility, and be prepared to provide any additional information that may support your request, such as your proof of income or employment.